Imagine being able to predict which trades will be profitable. Sounds pretty sweet, right? It's all about having the right indicators that give you the inside scope on market conditions. So pick any chart you like. When you're scalping, it's generally a good idea to use lower time frames to catch those small price movements. So you might find the 5-minute or 15-minute charts works practically well for this strategy. Now we're going to add our secret weapon, the indicators. Head over to the indicators tab and type in envelope multi-type in the search bar. This little gem is going to help you spot those potentially profitable trades. Perfect. Now you've successfully added the envelope multi-type indicator to your chart. Next, let's personalize the settings to suit your individual trading approach. These adjustments will make the indicator work best for you. Now we're not done yet. To make the strategy really shine, we need to add another indicator to the mix. This dynamic duo will help you make the most out of your trades and boost your profits. But before we dive deeper into long-term trends, let me take a moment to give a shout out to my amazing channel TradeGenius. Here, we're all about bringing you killer trading strategies that are not only easy to use and completely free, but also help you racking those profits. Our mission is to see you succeed in the trading world. So if you're digging this video, show some love by hitting the like button and subscribe to the channel for more insider tips and tricks to up your trading game. Your support means the world to us. Alright, back to the indicators. Let's hop back to the top of your screen and find the indicators tab. Give it a click and you'll spot a search bar just waiting for you for the next secret weapon, the Fisher Transform with up-down indicator. Now, to make the most out of this powerful tool, you'll need to fine-tune those settings. No worries, it's a breeze. Just find the Fisher Transform with up and down indicator name and click on the little gear icon to open up the settings window. Then just follow my lead. Well done. You now have everything you need to set up and optimize the indicators for maximum success. Now it's time to put your indicators into work and start identifying trading rules. Let's start with buy trade entry signals. First, ensure that the price candles are above the upper ATR level. This helps us avoid trading against the trend, keeping us on the right side of the market. Now be patient and wait for the price to pull back to the middle level. This is like a rubber band being stretched. We want to catch it right as it starts to bounce back up. Once the price breaks out above the upper level, it's go time. This is a strong signal that the market is ready to move in our favor. But before we diving in, double check that the Fisher transform indicator confirms the buy signal. If the histogram is green and above the zero level, it is a green light for you to enter the trade. So, if all these conditions line up, it's time to open the buy position and let the profits roll in. Of course, no trading strategy is complete without a solid risk management. So, to protect your hard-earned capital, set a stop loss for your trade using the lower level of the envelope indicator. This acts as your safety net, ensuring that any losses are kept to minimum. And when it comes to setting your trade target, we recommend aiming for a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. This means that for every dollar you risk, you're aiming to make $1.5 in profit. So, time to switch gears and learn how to spot these sell trade entry signals. To make sure you're trading with the current market trend, follow these simple steps to find those high selling opportunities. Analyze the price candles. First, ensure that the price candles are below the lower ATR level. This helps us steer clear of trading against the trend, keeping us aligned with the market's direction. Now, be patient and wait for the price to retrace back up to the middle level. So, once the price breaks down below the lower level, it's a strong signal that the market is ripe for selling. But before pulling the trigger, double check the Fisher transform indicator confirms the sell signal. If the histogram is red and below the zero level, it is a green light to proceed with your sell trade. So when all these conditions come together, it's time to open the sell position and watch your profits grow. As always, a smart risk management is crucial to any successful trading strategy. To protect your capital, set a stop loss for your trade using the upper level of the envelope indicator. This acts as a safety net, ensuring that any losses are kept at minimum. For setting your trade target, aim for the risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And now the exciting news, traders. We've put this strategy to the test and the results are in. Our team has backtested this strategy using historical market data and outcome is pretty encouraging. We put our scalping strategy through its paces by testing it on the Bitcoin chart using a 15-minute time frame over an 8-week period. We kept the risk to reward ratio at a healthy 1 to 1.5, which means for every dollar we risk, we aim to make $1.5 in profit. We executed a total of 100 trades, and guess what? Our strategy had a win rate of 66%. That's like winning 2 out of every 3 trades. And here's the exciting part. We saw an impressive 89% overall profit. The strategy had a pretty solid performance with 9 consecutive winning trades and only 3 consecutive losses. The profit factor, which measures the strategy's profitability, was an outstanding 2.91. Basically, for every dollar we risked, we made almost $3. Now, no strategy is perfect, so let's talk about the max drawdown. That's the largest drop in account equity during the testing period. We saw a max drawdown of 2.97%, which is pretty manageable with proper risk management. To sum it up, our strategy performed remarkably well during the backtesting phase, making it a promising approach for your trading endeavors. Remember, trading always carries risks, but with the right mindset and discipline, you can make the most out of this strategy. Happy trading!